Here's what's left of it. Here's what's left of it. See how it's all charred? That's all charred now. Fuse cut out, you see how that's open right there. Broken off there, but the other one's still in. Yeah, that thing is just trash. Power is still on in other parts of the neighborhood. That thing right there, you can see how charred it is. It looks like oil or something leaked out of it. Yeah. And this is like basically the last look of it at it, because you know, we're supposed to replace it today. Like sometime today you're supposed to come and replace it. And we're gonna also replace these two fuses up there too, because you know they failed. One of them actually did not cut out, but that one up there did cut out. Yeah. Everything else is pretty good. Running. So that's about it for the last look at this, for the final look at this transformer before its ultimate replacement. So again, what happened to it is that it caught fire yesterday, and you remember how we have brownout after that storm. So the brownout was occurring